and this is very good news for BE, BTech, MSc, MCA, ME, MTech, and those who are interested do SRF, JRF, and research associate and technical assistant at various reputed university NIT, IIT, and IISc. And coming to SRF at IIT Guwahati, eligibility civil engineering, JRF under SERP funded project NIT Warangal, eligibility chemical engineering, biotechnology, research associate and technical assistant, eligibility computer science or information technology or MCA, MSc computer science. And after selection they will provide salary 31,000 to 35,000 per month including HRA and depending on designation and qualification. Content of this video: application are invited for an online interview for the following post: Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Guwahati. Eligibility criteria: BE BTech with valid GATE score or ME MTech in engineering with minimum 2 years experience of as JRF. And coming to application, online interview which is scheduled on 31st May 2021 on Monday at 11 am. Copy of CV giving details of all education qualification, experience, contact details, phone number, email ID along with scanned copies of relevant documents should be sent on or before 30 May 2021 at before 5 pm. Selection will be based on the performance of candidate in the online interview. And these are the interview details: 31st May 2021 on Monday, time 11 am, and online interview. And duration of the project 6 months. After selection they will provide salary 35,000 plus 1260 medical expensive and total 36,260. For more details go through website SRF Civil Engineering at IIT Guwahati. And next, moving forward, JRF application are invited: chemical engineering, biotechnology, post under SERP sponsor project at NIT Warangal for the year of 2021. The last date of application is 10th June 2021. And these are the eligibility criteria: first class with not less than 60% aggregate, BE BTech in chemical engineering, biotechnology, and here project duration 2 years. After selection they will provide salary 31,000 per month. For more details go through website, contact JRF Chemical Engineering Biotechnology under SERP project at NIT Warangal. And coming to next, application are invited for the post of senior software developer at Mahatma Gandhi University, Kerala. Eligibility criteria: BE BTech MTech degree in computer science or information technology or MCA MSc computer science with 60% mark or above. And experience details: not less than 5 years of experience. Candidate must have experience in HTML, XML, CS3, JavaScript. And coming to age limit: not below 18 years and not more than 36 years as on 1st 2020. Relaxation to SC, ST, OBC candidate as per rules. After selection they will provide salary 30,000 per month. Interested candidate or detail send their biodata along with scanned copy of certificate, marks list, proof of age, caste, qualification and experience to mail. And here mention mail ada4@mgu.ac.in on or before 31st May 2021. And they will conducted online interview and date of interview 3rd June 2021 at time 10:30 am. For contact details go through website. For more details, post of senior software developer at Mahatma Gandhi University, Kerala.